Qualifies me to take all the board exams to get.
Say hello. Isn't she beautiful? Beautiful cousins.
Round one.
Yeah. Say hello.
Hello.
Well, I'm in Eatonville right now, and I'm gonna show you the 4th of July parade here. I left Lance in my car, so sana may makita pa ako. Maraming mga tao. I'm gonna go to the other side. Sinabihan ito pinakahuli. Ang mga tao dito. Oh, sorry.
I thought about what it was now.
Yeah, tapos na. Tapos na.
It's a lifestyle.
Namuntik na ako hindi nakaano. So guys, eto na, nandito tayo. Makikita ko sa inyo ang 4th of July. Uyan na! This is where my husband is born and raised. This is the town, Eatonville. And they're related with the Van Eatons, so yeah. We're gonna have our 4th of July at the lake, where all the relatives will be seeing each other. Tapos dito po nanonood ng sine asawa ko. Diyan. Ayan po. Yan, napakasimpleng buhay. Dito pinaplano namin mag-retire. Yeah, dito sa lugar na to. Siguro may isa pa akong vlog tungkol dito sa town na to. Yan, ang ganda. Yan, dyan. Mga kamag-anak niya nandudong banda. We're entering the cemetery road where the picnic is. Most of Lance's relatives lives here. Wala masyadong tao. Mamaya, papakita ko sa inyo pa. Ayan, paakyat kami. Paakyat ako. Walang sasakyan. Ooh, wow. Oh, somebody is in here. May sasakyan. So coming up is where Lance's grandmother was buried. Oh, somebody is in there. Are they visiting grandma? Are these your relatives? Could it be? Oh yeah, that's right. Oh, Uncle Ted was buried here. Yeah. Wonder who is there. I could see Robin. Is that Robin there? Yeah. Looks like it's the Van Eatons. Oh, there's Kurt. Say hello. There's Kurt and that's Lisa.
That's from Michelle.
And Michelle. There's a relatives there. Oh, there's Kurt. They're the one who visited Grandma. Uncle Ted and Grandma. So guys, we're entering the family properties. So where is the end? Oh, we have to enter. Is it the one here? Right? Okay. There you go. Actually, these are all relatives. Right there. I'll show you later. So there you go.
Park to the right. Make it easy to get out.
Yeah. So ang ganda ng property. It's by the lake. So guys, this is the property where we're gonna have our 4th of July. Ayan. Ganda, no? Okay. Itong dala-dala ko, nakuha na ni dala-dala nila sa Ay guys, may nakikita ako dun, no? Nakikita niyo yun? It's a deer. There you go, my deer. May deer na naliligaw. Gusto rin niya yata mag 4th of July. Deer ba yun? Mukha siyang deer eh. Or aso. Aso. No, it's a deer. Dalawa pa sila. Oh, ayan, oh. It's a deer. Naliligaw sila. Okay, I'll go there later. So, ang ganda-ganda ng ngayon, oh. So, yan ang aming, dito po kami. Tapos, meron pa lang. Mamaya, iikot ko ho kayo. So far, I'm gonna check what do we have. Pagkain dito. There you go. We have some food here already. Ooh, what is this? Hello there! Oh my gosh! We got potato salad and chicken. Dumating na kamag-anak na si Lance. Actually, yung kamag-anak ni Lance dyan yung asawa. Si Janet yan. Yun nandun sa kabila. Doon sa kabila ang bahay niya. Maluwag itong bahay na to. Mga maaliwalas at medyo talagang para ka nasa loob ng wala sa probinsyang dating. Tingnan ninyo. Ang ganda, no? Oh. Diyan kami kakain. Sino pumasok? Nakita ko pumasok. Lagi kami nauuna dito. Ay, nako. Anyway, I hope guys na nakita niya. I'm gonna go watch the oh, look at that. There's so many people. Yan, no? Ang ganda, no? May mga nag-jet ski na dyan. Mabuti, nakaano na dyan. So, mamaya, marami magkakayaking. May magkano. Yan, mapupuno yan. Ang ganda na nito. Ito sana, guys, kami dapat sana bumili nito eh. Kaso, wala kaming pera na. Ito ay namana lang to ng kamag-anak ni Lance na wala sila sa binenta. So, yung isang kamag-anak ang kumuha. Pero nakakatuwa sila. Kinausap muna kami kung balak namin. So, anyway, ang ganda ng ambience, So, ganito itsura ng amin, 4th of July. Ayan, may mga tao na. Kanina walang masyadong tao. Ayan na, kumakain na sila. And then we have mga bacon. Mag-hotdog nga ako maya. I am dessert overload. And then look at my husband's cousin. She only have a small plate.
We know there's round.
Say hello. Isn't she beautiful? Beautiful cousins.
Round one.
Yeah.
So you have space that's not being utilized because
Secretaries couldn't reschedule it. Because as technologists, we don't reschedule.
Let me try if this is good with chocolate.
You go through the process.
Cherries with chocolate. Okay, they're gonna do water paddling now. I'm gonna follow them. Just the two of you? Nakakatuwa. Oh my gosh, ang ganda ng lugar. Are you gonna swim too? So, is that what you're gonna be riding? Oh wow. Tapos meron pa silang water canoe dito. Mamayang gabi kasi, after the dito sila nagkakantahan. Kaya lang hindi na kami. Dahil masyado. What are you gonna eat? Itong triplets yan. Pakita ko nga muna dito. Ayan, itsura ng amin. Let me see that. Nakakatakot. Ganay. Nilagyan na nila dati nung wala ito. Ay, meron na. Talagang tama-tama. Kaya baka mamaya ako mahilig sa swimming ko mga bata dito. Nakakatakot. Wow! Ang ganda pala dito. Pag, yun nga lang, pag umulan at nag-ano tubig, dito ang tubig. You can go. Batang to, parang feeling nila masyado nakatakot naman bumaba. Ay, ang ganda! Ang ganda-ganda, oh! I wanna show you. Yeah. Tapos, yung mga yun nandoon. Ayan, oh. Dami, oh. Tapos ito naman mga apo-apo na to. Actually, mga pamangkin na to. Nakakatawa bata to. Oh, wow. Ayan na. Si Jennifer, si Jenny ang nagpa-paddle. She's the one who's paddling. Grabe, look at that. Who's behind? Somebody. Tapos yung isa dito, triplets yun eh. Kumakain. Ayan sila. Yun po, yan. Kamag-anak din may-ari. Yan. Diyan kami nung una, pero nung araw, diyan kami nagpo 4th of July. Sarap-sarap na hangin. Hanggang dito lang ako, ayoko na pumunta dyan. Ay, ito nakakami, alon pa oh. Ay, ah. Hintayin ko yung mga pinsan nila mag-swim. I'm going back to the reunion, to the picnic. Ganda. Tapos may mga kahoy-kahoy dito. Ay, ito sana. Actually, noon talagang gusto ko dito. Kasi ito pag-aapi ito na kamag-anak ni Nance. Come on! Are you gonna swim? Yeah, ganda rin oh. Kaya lang, wala kaming pera. Ganda. This is a blackberry. And it's gonna be so ripe. So it's just, it runs us so wild. Blackberries po yan. Dami nila oh. There are a lot of them. Blackberry. Ganda. Can I show you? Yan oh. Blackberry po yan. Ayan, magpinsan yan. First cousins yan. Isama mo din yung isa dito. First cousin. Tatlong yan. Mga gemels. Exciting! They're all gonna go. Look at that. They're putting the...
Awkward.
Say hello.
Hello.
I'm gonna take a video of you guys.
Okay. Well,
Ang saya-saya dito. Nakakatawa pag mga kamag-anak mo. Kamag-anak na asawa ko. Asa yung asawa ko? Hindi na sumunod. Ayan na. Ayan na sila. Ayan na. Ayan na yun. Sasakay sila sa canoe. Ganyan lang naman. Every year we have this one, the canoe ride. Oh. Oh.
But I still don't see two girls.
Oh, there you go. Ayan na. Oh, so they're gonna swim. Yeah, there you go. So beautiful. I never thought that this gonna be a beautiful place. Because it's all hidden. You know, before. There you go.
I thought Cougar had 2 girls in life jackets, and I only seen one little girl in a life jacket. So where's her sister?
Yeah, I think they have. Oh,
Maybe her sister is up with someone else. But
I guess that makes more sense.
And the school basically qualifies me to take all the board exams.
guys, this is Maite.
Hi.
Yeah, she's my friend. We're the out of place here. Her husband and my husband, they're all related. So,
It's beautiful.
yeah, she's
Happy family.
yeah, he's my friend over here. Say, can you please say, please like and subscribe.
Dale like y suscríbanse.
That's in Spanish. Hello. Nakatulog ako. Kailangan ko mag-power nap kasi ako mag-drive pa uwi. Siguro mamaya pa 8 na. It's already like 6 o'clock. So, anyway, I hope you guys like and subscribe dito sa aking sa aking channel. And this is about the family reunion.